Good evening, everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle means eating nutritious food, exercise, and regularly getting enough sleep. The small physical and the small improve in our physical and mental well-being. Eating a balanced diet such as such as energy while exercise keep our body strong. Proper sleep help our body strong. Proper sleep help stay focused and a healthy lifestyle. Also reduce the risk of disease like diabetes and heart problem. By making small changes such as drinking more water and avoiding junk food, we can live longer and happier live. We can let's all take a step towards healthy today. Thank you.